How to turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app is a versatile tool for capturing photos and videos, offering various shooting modes, editing features, and quick access options. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. Here, on the specific point on the screen where you want the focus to be. For a more stable focus that won't shift when you move the phone, tap and hold on that same point until AEAF lock appears. This locks both auto exposure and autofocus. You can now tap on the capture button to take a photo. If you want to unlock and turn off autofocus, simply tap anywhere else on the screen. Following these steps, you can easily turn off autofocus on iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.